Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we are going to do some very fun alcohol ink resin coasters. Normally you would just drip these in here kind of willy-nilly, but today we're going to do something a little bit more specific. So I'm starting off with some clear resin in here, and these are kind of agate or geode coasters. You can either fill this up completely on this first round, or you can just do it halfway and then fill it up with clear later. I'm gonna at least mostly fill this up. And I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my colors, and I kind of wanna make a flower pattern. So I'm gonna start off with some yellow in the middle, and I'm using both Pinata and Ranger alcohol inks. Going on the outside of that, I'm gonna do this kind of earthy red. It might swallow it up a bit, don't stress too much. You can always come back and add more yellow. Now I'm going around with some pink, and then I'm gonna top it off with some turquoise around the edge here. And when it blends with that pink, it's going to make a beautiful purple, which I'm really excited about. I do wanna go back in and add just a little bit more yellow in here. And lastly, we're going to add some Pinata white. Now this is kind of the fun part. So this is a heavy color. It's gonna push the other colors down, and it's gonna just cause some really cool reactions. So you can either go over your entire piece with that or just do specific spots. Totally up to you, and it will of course lighten things up as well. So I'm gonna do some kind of around almost the outside here. And I don't think I'm gonna fill in this entire thing. Now, because it typically drips in circles, I'm gonna take a stick and kind of just modify this design a little bit. And that's all we need to do. At this stage, just go ahead and leave it. If you still see air bubbles, you might want to hit it with a heat gun, but the alcohol inks themselves should help remove those air bubbles. So just go ahead and let this cure fully. It takes about 24 hours or so, and then we will be back to demold them.